Hello and welcome, Gillykube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I've got a ratty old canvas that I scraped off that I didn't like. Something that I tried to do in black and dark moody colours. I didn't like it at all. I scrapped the video, I scrapped it was just not pleasant, not happy, Jan. So I am going to still do the black background, but I'm going to add some fruity fluoro colours to it. So I've just got a bit of the fluoro colours left from a previous pour that I did. These are the global. They're available at Capriole Shabby Chic. If you're in the US, UK, Europe or Canada, I believe they're all going to be available on Amazon by the end of January. So there you go. So right, we're going to see what we can do with this scrabby-doo canvas, if I can actually rescue it. Because the canvas is looking like this, it won't be a canvas that I would actually, finish and go and sell, because I know how it started. But you can bet that usually it does turn out some of the nicest pieces, but I'm not expecting that, so we'll just play it by ear and see what I can get on this canvas. And I'm going to do the black base. It has got some phthalo blue, dark blue added, so wanted it more sort of navy black, but it's still looking very, very black to me. So I'll just see if it's the right consistency. Oh, I should have. Let's try this actually. I have this Reeves iridescent medium that Capriole Shabby Chic sent to me. So it's supposed to make your paint sparkle, so I might just squirt in a bit of this iridescent medium so it gives that real sparkle. If you remember a few weeks ago, and I've done it quite often, I added the dragonfly glaze, and that made the paint sparkle really gorgeous. And that is the dragonfly glaze, oh gosh, I'm getting in a right old mess. Obviously does the same thing. What am I doing? So Capriole sent me that and said they've had very good reports about it, giving the paints a lovely shimmer. So I should have thought about it when I was mixing, but I've just mixed that in. My pouring medium recipe is in the drop down box, so I'm going to see if that gives a sparkle shimmer like what I was getting from the dragonfly glaze because I'm using this as my base coat. So oh yes, look at the shimmer in there, it's like blues and silvers. Yeah, I can see that. What I'll do is I'll bring the camera down when I've got further along in this piece. Let's just get on with it. Don't want you guys waiting too long for the goodie bits. Don't want you getting impatient and switching off. So just bear with me. You can see the blue and the sparkle in this now. Oh yes, so it does do the same thing, add the sparkle like the dragonfly glaze that I was adding, because the dragonfly glaze is a little bit more difficult to get in Australia, but I do believe because it's by Plaid Folk Art that it's a lot easier to get in the US than here. So that is sparkling lovely. So yes, that's available at Capriole. And I'm guessing that if you go onto Amazon, you would get it off Amazon if you're in the US. But I suppose you could look for iridescent medium. It's just to give that sparkle. Everybody needs some sparkle in their life. Okie doke, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my garland through the centre. Should I do it through the centre or... Yeah, I might go diagonal. So I'm going to just add this fluoro pink. Now look how wonderful that looks against that black blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Might as well use it up in this particular pour because that goes so nice with that very dark background, the fluoro. There. Nice working with the fluoro colours. That's really my jam, is the real bright, uplifting colours. I just love them. So this is the fluoro orange. My dog's here biting his foot. I don't know what he's biting his foot about. What you doing, baby? It tastes nice. Okay, that's the fluoro orange. Done the pink. This is a wattle green. It wasn't fluoro, but it looks so bright. So you've got to have some of this too. There's no rhyme or reason. It can all go in there and go and add to the party. Now I'll add some blue. This is the, what was this one? This was the, oh, this was the fluoro blue. This was the fluoro blue. So there you go. This should give a little bit more sparkle. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, where is she? There you go. This was white that I pre-make up, just the white, and I add Floetrol to it only. So this one is actually Amsterdam white and Floetrol. Had so many questions, does any of the paints added with Floetrol do exactly the same? The answer is any paint I have found so far gives you lacing with Floetrol. I've just found that Floetrol does that the Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam do an excellent, you know, just that little bit step up, but it certainly does work with other paints. So I'm going to put some of the Floetrol and paint in this too. So hopefully I'll get some good lacing when I blow it out. So I might put a little bit more of the base colour because I'm going to blow this. You can definitely see the sparkle in the iridescent medium that's gone in there. We've all got to have a bit of sparkle in our lives. So I hope you've enjoyed your Christmas season. I hope that nobody's been, well, I'm sure there are people alone, and you know, I don't feel good about that because it's nice if you can be with somebody and laugh, for sure. But you have to phone a friend, you have to try and make contact with people if you're feeling a bit out of sorts. So never be alone if you don't want to be, but lots of people do like being alone. So I'm going to use the straw, see how I go, and if not I might use my dryer. Oh, the lace, beautiful. Lovely lace for sure. I'm going to just turn this so it's a little easier for me to blow out. A little bit round here. Well, there you go. I will add some wisps to that. I think it deserves wisps. Where's my wispy thing? Where's my wispy maker? Hey, Benny. Hey, Benny. Out. Go. Quick. No. Out, Ben. Benson. Oh, my goodness. I will try and cut that bit. Sorry about that. Oh, it's true life, isn't it? So there's some lovely wispy lacy bits. I'm going to wisp those lacy bits out a bit further. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Over the black, it really stands out. Well, the black navy. It's very nice. Let's go all out. Let's do some nice big Aussie swipes, Aussie slides. It's kind of falling back in a little bit. I'm not sure because I've got a thinner mixture this time, but it's pretty, it's still nice, it's still attractive because it's got such bright colours in it. But I can see that those colours will really need to sit there a little while, absorb into the canvas. But I do want to do this, is giving it a swipe from the centre out. Now I've given those wisps, so I just use a little piece of plastic, soft plastic file divider. It sort of sent it blacker in the centre, but those colours will pop through again, you know, when I do my next thing on this particular paw. I'm definitely going to embellish that with the balloon, so I'll just go over with the heat gun. And I'm going to bring in my favourite tool, and it can be a wonderful tool for this kind of art. It just, I'm only going to do the balloon kissing as a band through the centre of the diagonal. Is that do a band through the centre of a diagonal? Not sure if that's a thing. Well, it is a thing because I'm doing it. Alrighty. So just to bring all those colours out that are in there, in with that black, which is like the black blue. That is gorgeous. I love it. I've got negative space, people. Negative space. So I'm done with that. I love it. I'm going to let it dry. Wow. Tutti frutti garden. What a colourful explosion with that dark background. I'm going to go around my edges with just the black and finish it off, and then leave it to dry, and there will be photos for you guys. Thank you so much for joining my crazy art journey, a crazy colourful one. My last couple of pours that I'm doing here today, so I'm enjoying it because, as you all know, if you know anything about me, that I love colour. I love colour. So take care, people, take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Please join me tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye for now.